In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can play Minecraft 1Block in Java Edition. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the easiest way to play Minecraft 1Block is to actually head over to multiplayer, as this allows us to actually add a server. So what we can do is go to the bottom right corner and click this add server button, and we can then go down to the server address and we want to type in mcmp.cosmosmc.org. From there you can change the server name if you want. However, if you're not too worried, we can go ahead and click done. As you can see, this is the one we just added, so we can simply double click on it and it will start joining the world. And we now have the option to actually add a custom resource pack, but I'm just going to go ahead and click no. From here we can click on this compass and go to 1Block, and as you can see we're now in the lobby and we can type /island and click enter, and as you can see we get teleported to our 1Block island. So that's how you can play Minecraft 1Block in Java Edition. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.